My name is Justin.
My name is James. Square.
I know everyone came to see John Henry. He'll be out in a minute.
Open up for John Henry. We got our J Squared. Justin.
Thank his parents for raising him as a good child. And thank God for his beautiful talent. Relays with you, James.
What kind of instruments does he
John
play?
Henry. Well, he pretty much plays any instrument he can and what he can get his hands on to. Flutophone, recorder, piano, clarinet,
harmonica,
xylophone,
that Japanese thing. Hiroshima,
my Sharon, my Sharon. That's Japanese. He also plays the ook. He has his own model, the fluke, made out of plastic. If you guys ever seen that. And we have Squared playing right now. One of John Henry's ballads. We're gonna use JH as John Henry's name. We'd like to start off. Please, everyone, join us. Join us while you can. Put your hands together as we begin. Come on now. This evening. Come on, people. Get on the dance floor. We got the beautiful Mai Tai ladies tonight serving it up.
We'd like to thank Rudolph Security Industries.
Ground formation.
Providing us with the security, valet, and food. Oh yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
We'd like to thank all of you guys for coming out for this wonderful evening.
Very wonderful evening.
We do a little mabuhay for drinks, for water on a tap, coming from Gordon Biersch, water from Evian, probably bought from Costco. Big shout out to our sponsors, Evian Water,
Evian Water, and Dasani. Dasani, which is affiliated with Coca-Cola Company. Oh yeah, we're talking about our sponsors right now because you know we are sponsored.
Yeah.
Yeah.
By Mad.
Yes.
Mad.
Mom and Dad.
Mom and Dad.
Yeah. Mothers against drunk driving. That's why we drink water.
Yes.
That's why we have no alcohol.
Exactly.
Here. Okay. We don't
no. What?
We don't support death sticks.
Death sticks.
Death sticks.
The death sticks.
Because you don't want to talk like this.
Oh, guys, Vincent smokes cigarettes.
You are right.
Yeah.
Justin,
If you smoke cigarettes, you don't talk like this.
That's for
Vincent,
you.
this is yes, Vincent.
Talk like this when you're 30 years old.
Would you like to be, would you like to be talking to your kid like this? I'm sorry.
You
Getting too
can
personal.
even drown while you're showering, just to let you know.
I'm listening.
Here it is.
All right.
Not your sponsors.
Justin.
All right. Come on, Justin. Bust the cord.
Vincent, production getting tired.
Can you just hold the stuff for me? I think the bag.